Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to view movie episodes Netflix application in computer. So how to view movie episodes Netflix application in computer. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go straight to the Netflix application on your computer. Well, this is on the initial Netflix display. Here it is already on the initial Netflix application display. To see the episode of the film, just scroll to find the film whose episode you want to see. For example, I chose this anime film. Next, point the cursor at the film to be selected. Here there are many menu options. Tap the check mark down or the episode and info menu. After that, here you will enter the info menu for the film that I chose earlier. Well, here to see the episode of this film, scroll down. It looks like there are several episodes of this film. Here it is still up to 10. Tap the down arrow to see the next one. Well, scroll here there is this film until episode 16. And for episode 17 will still come out on February 1st. Netflix's episode viewing function makes it easy for users to choose, continue watching, and get automatic recommendations for the next episode. So that's it, the tutorial how to view movie episodes Netflix application in computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.